This Volvo XC90 is in need of some serious attention, but it's not a problem for DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont. Our The Works detailing service will have this Volvo looking amazing. For the exterior, The Works detailing service comes with a biodegradable wash, clay bar treatment, then protect it with Ceramic Pro Sport, 6 months protection. For the interior, it comes with our interior deep cleaning with steam. Let's check out the results. Wow! The Works detailing service has this Volvo XC90 looking amazing. Check out the rich, deep shine that he'll enjoy for 6 full months. Let's check out the interior. Wow! This is how clean we can make your interior look too. We clean every nook and cranny. When you're ready for a professional auto detailing, think of DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont. You'll be glad you did.